In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward Gmail to another Gmail account step by step. So the first thing we're going to do is open Gmail and make sure we're signed into the account where the emails are currently being received. Once Gmail loads and you can see your inbox on the screen, we're ready to start setting up the forwarding. Now look up toward the top right corner of the Gmail page and you'll see a small gear icon. That's the settings button. Go ahead and click on that gear icon and a quick settings panel will slide open on the side. From here we want to access the full settings menu, so look for the option that says see all settings and click on that. Once the full settings page opens, you'll notice several tabs across the top of the screen. Each tab controls a different part of Gmail's behavior. What we're looking for is the tab labeled forwarding and POP/IMAP. Go ahead and click on that tab so we can open the forwarding settings. Now that we're in the forwarding and POP/IMAP section, you'll see the area where forwarding can be set up. This is where Gmail allows you to automatically send copies of incoming emails to another email address. To start that process, look for the button that says add a forwarding address. Go ahead and click that button. As soon as you click it, a small window will appear asking for the email address where you want the messages to be forwarded. In the field that appears, type in the Gmail address you want to forward your emails to. Just enter the email address carefully so everything is correct. Once the email address is entered, Gmail will ask you to confirm your account. This step simply verifies that the forwarding request is legitimate and that the destination email address is valid. Follow the confirmation prompt that appears and confirm the account when Gmail asks you to. After confirming the account, you'll be brought back to the forwarding settings area. At this point, the forwarding address you added will be listed in the forwarding section. Everything is now set up and the last thing we need to do is save the change. So from here, scroll down toward the bottom of the page until you see the button labeled Save Changes. Go ahead and click on Save Changes. Once you click it, Gmail will apply the forwarding setting to your account. After the page refreshes, the change will be active. That means incoming emails received in this Gmail account can now be forwarded to the Gmail address you added earlier. The setup is complete and Gmail will handle the forwarding automatically based on the address you entered. And that's really all there is to it. You open Gmail, go into settings, click see all settings, open the forwarding and POP/IMAP tab, click add a forwarding address, enter the email address you want to forward messages to, confirm the account and then click save changes. Once everything is saved, the forwarding setup stays in place and Gmail will continue sending those messages to the other Gmail account automatically. This makes it easy to manage emails across multiple accounts without needing to constantly switch back and forth between them.